Hey guys, this is Elias with Softly, and today I'm going to show you how to export JetEngine repeater fields using WPOL export. Now guys, let's select the post type we want to export in this video, and in this case is this JetEngine post type, and as you can see we have 1200 posts to be exported, so I'm going to click on the Customize Export File button, right? And here on my export template, I'm going to get rid of the ID and the content because we don't need that in this example. And if I hit preview, you can see we have here a little preview of 10 of the 1200 posts we have. Now, guys, I want to show you real quick how this actually looks before we begin, right? I'm going to open this one up. And here we have the title, and then we have this fixed repeater with two sub elements, and then we have this variable repeater with, well, a bunch more, right? So all of the posts will have only two repeaters here in the fixed repeater, and in the variable we'll have, well, a variable number of sub-elements, right? All of them have three subfields. The first one has name, description, and price, and the second repeater has name, comment, and rating, right? So here in WPOL export we will find the JetEngine section here on the right, and we only have two fields. However, when I drag and drop one of them and hit preview, you can see it automatically adds the columns of the subfields it has inside. Now in this case, for the fixed repeater, we have name, description, and price. And as you can see, the values are separating with pipes, right? So remember, the fixed repeater only has two sub-elements. So in this case, we have the first one and the second one. And here we have the first description, which is this one, right? And the second description, which is this other one. And the first price and the second price, right? So that's very straightforward. But if guys, maybe you want to, I don't know, say you want to export all of these in a more orderly fashion, right? Well, you can do that if you click here on the repeater element and enable this option that says display each repeater row in its own CSV line. Now, I'm not going to enable this one just yet, so I'm going to save this, preview, and as you can see here, we have the title, right? But in the line below that, we have a blank space. However, our sub-elements are no longer separated by pipes, but instead they live in their own CSV line, which is pretty cool, right? Now, if you wanted to fill up all of those empty columns, you can enable this option, save, preview again, and there you go, right? We have the same data, right, in all of those rows, and it looks better, right? Now I'm just gonna add the other repeater. I'm gonna disable all of this just so you can see the other one very clearly. And there you have it. Here we have this variable repeater with the name column, comment column, and rating. And as you can see, they are separated with pipes too. And we can do the same here. We can enable these two values, right? Preview, and there you go. Pretty cool, right? Now I'm gonna now guys, this is very straightforward, as you can see. But if maybe you're interested in knowing a little bit more about how to import or export other kinds of fields in JetEngine, well, for that you need to go to our website at wpolimport.com or check out the other videos in our channel, where we have other videos where we talk a little bit more in depth about all of the other fields with some real world data and whatnot. For now, let's just continue with our exports. And we can select two kinds of export types, and the first one is the spreadsheet, and from here we can select to export this in CSV or in Excel. And here on the feed type, you can export this in XML, and the simple XML will just export this in the same format you have it here, right? Just in XML. But if you want to get a little bit more crazy with your XML format, because maybe you need to add some custom data or whatever, you can select this custom XML feed and build your own. Now, for this example, we're going to stick with the CSV type and continue. And here we have the scheduling options. And guys, this is pretty cool because say you need to export all of this data on a schedule. Maybe you need to export this on a daily basis or maybe weekly, right? And you don't want to just go here and do all of this manually. Well, you can use the automatic scheduling service, which is a paid service, right? Or use cron jobs to schedule your export. And you can even combine all of this with, say, Zapier, right? And have Zapier email you your file every single day, or maybe upload that to OneDrive or Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever. And as I said before, if that's something that interests you, just check out the other videos in our channel or go to our website at wplimport.com. For now, I'm just gonna confirm and run this export, right? And this is gonna take just a few seconds. Cool, and now I can download my CSV and see what we got. Alright guys, so here we go. It seems like all of our data came in correctly. We have a lot of restaurants here, a lot of data, and all of the repeater data seem to be correctly set up, right? So there you have it guys, that's how you export JetEngine repeater fields using WPL export and the JetEngine Export Add-On. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video guys, and as I said before, check out the other videos in our channel, check out our website at wplimport.com to know more about how to import and export other JetEngine data, or if maybe you're using Metabox or ACF, you will find there videos for that too. See you next time.